Hi, my name is Akshat Nair and I am an engineering manager at DoorDash on the data platform team. DoorDash's mission is to grow and empower local economies by connecting people with all the best in their communities. DoorDash serves millions of consumers, connecting them to hundreds of thousands of merchants using our platform. Recently, in August 2021, DoorDash reached a new company milestone, fulfilling 2 billion lifetime orders. Data and insights have always been a priority at DoorDash, and we have made it a goal to strive towards a democratized data environment that allows everyone to have access to data at their fingertips. Use of data within the company varies from gathering analytics to powering machine learning models to enabling our flagship social impact program, Project Dash. Getting this data to our teams faster is critical in providing a great user experience. With the increase in variety of data sets and use cases for our data users, we had to find a solution that could work with our data warehouse. We began to explore a data lake to solve the problem of storing more data, especially the data we weren't actively using. After evaluating a number of options, we started our journey by moving certain data sets to S3 for data where we were not running any transformations and were querying them purely for analytics or ML use cases. We decided to use Starburst and Trino. We were able to query this data on S3 in ML Spark jobs instead of our data warehouse, which resulted in a 10 times to 15 times performance improvement in overall runtimes. On the other hand, with Trino, we were able to get interactive query performance for our ad hoc queries on S3. Our ETL batch pipelines continue to populate critical datasets in our cloud data warehouse, Snowflake. For some use cases, we needed federated queries across our data lake and Snowflake. We were able to deploy Starburst Enterprise and utilize the Snowflake connector to accomplish this, which was a key factor for us when choosing between the open source version of Trino and Starburst Enterprise Trino. Keeping data in one place and not needing the data movement provides easier data governance. We can maintain a single source of truth for key tables and also implement access controls in just one place. Another benefit we saw with Starburst Enterprise over open source Trino was the ability to deploy on Kubernetes, since all of our services at DoorDash are deployed on Kubernetes on AWS. Since we did not have enough expertise with this setup and open source community documentation was sparse, having enterprise support from Starburst was very useful. We have access to 24/7 support for Trino on Kubernetes, from setup to implementation to day-to-day challenges. When we talk about data, security is always an important element to consider. For our ad hoc users, we wanted to use Okta-based authentication with multi-factor authentication enabled. But this feature was missing in open source Trino. The Starburst team was able to provide this important security feature to us within a few weeks, which truly solidified the value of our partnership. We knew that if we were lacking any critical enterprise features in the open source system, we could count on the Starburst Enterprise team to provide it. Throughout the deployment, we were so thankful to have our dedicated Starburst support team who we could reach out to 24/7 and would even anticipate our needs and next steps. Internally, hiring a team of Trino experts who were well versed with Trino internals would have been incredibly difficult. But Starburst's team of experts provided us with a level of stability and expertise that put us at ease. Starburst Enterprise provides us with an amazing customer service, easy connectivity to S3 and Snowflake, and top-notch security features that consistently exceed our expectations. With Starburst, the future of data analytics looks bright. We hope to achieve our vision of a unified query engine and a secure single point of access to all of our data with Starburst Enterprise.